uh, in this emphasis, there are like the three levels: the first level, second level, and third level. So first level is trainee, second is associate engineer, and third is software engineer. So we have directly skipped the first two levels, which a normal engineer would take about 1.5 years to complete, and directly placed at level 3.
Hi everyone. Today I have with me Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu has been recently placed at Emphasis. Hi Sudhanshu. Thank you so much for joining us today, and a big congratulations to you for getting placed.
Yeah, hi. Thank you.
Yeah. So Sudhanshu, I'll share you the background of discussion. So I
Okay.
have a popular, 5 to 6 questions which every student like you wants to know, how you got
Hmm.
placed and what are the things you do did to get placed. So I'm going to ask you, but before we start, can you introduce
Hmm.
yourself to the audience about yourself?
Yeah, okay. So, hi. Myself, Sudhanshu Ginmine. I have basically completed my engineering in computer science from MIT Aurangabad, and currently working in Infosys as a software engineer in C++ technologies.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So my first question to you is, how are you feeling after getting placed, especially before Diwali?
Yeah. Yeah. Feeling really, really great actually, because I was not really expecting to be getting placed till January if I had not been joined in Bridge Labs. But Bridge Labs had really made it easy. Yeah, it feels great.
So the first question I wanted to know, which audience also wanted to understand. So
Hmm.
how you got placed in emphasis? Can you tell, explain your journey?
Yeah. So, like, first of all, previously, before 1 month, we have started our journey for emphasis in C++ development. Then after joining, then we have completed like various projects and all in Bridge Labs. And then after completion of that projects, we had one interaction with emphasis employees itself on it was basically the simple interaction. We have interacted on what C++, how it is used in companies and all. And after that, then directly on I guess it was 28th of October, where the where I think someone from Bridge Labs came, and then they introduced us to the emphasis, and then later on, in next 2 days only, we have got our offer letters,
Okay,
and from 2nd of November we joined.
yeah, that's great to hear. So, what are the things you did? So you joined as a as a C or C plus plus developer, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are the things you did? Once you joined the Bridge Labs.
So basically, we have first of all, we started from the coding club in like the first last week of April or something. Then after joining, first of all, we were introduced to the basics shell scripting and all. So after doing that shell scripting and all, and when we were introduced to all the basics of programming, then after that we have started with the guided projects. And at the very big advantage of that guided projects where they have given us like the clear perspective of how we were been doing the projects in the industry itself. So in that manner it helped us. And now, as I written in many reviews and all, so uh, in this emphasis, there are like the three levels: the first level, second level, and third level. So first level is trainee, second is associate engineer, and third is software engineer. So we have directly skipped the first two levels, which a normal engineer would take about 1.5 years to complete, and directly placed at level 3. So
Yeah.
that is the big advantage. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great to hear. Just curious to know. So this the things which you have covered in coding club and after the projects, which I guess
Hmm.
the fellowship program.
Yeah.
So how helpful it was for you in getting into IT industry?
Yeah, it was very helpful. Otherwise, we were not even introduced to what are the basics. Oh no, because the basics. If in IT industry your basics are not clear, then you can achieve nothing over here. So first of all, so that we started with the basics. So in that way, it helped.
Oh, I mean, fundamentals are very strong. It should be very strong. Yeah. The
Yeah.
other thing I wanted to ask you, so this is a very popular question which every student
Hmm.
wants to know.
Yeah.
That is the passing year criteria or the percentage year criteria
Hmm.
really a hindrance in getting into IT industry?
Yeah, no, it is of course not, because I myself am having a 60% in my final year, and not even my result is not declared yet of the final year due to this COVID and all. Still, I got placed in emphasis, which only emphasis. The thing about emphasis is that it only takes the engineers with experience. So I got placed in the experience level without the percentage and all.
Yeah,
So it is not an hindrance.
definitely. Yeah. Thanks for clearing that. I do
Yeah,
believe that is the depends on the skill set. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
of course.
So what is your stream in the BE?
Sorry.
So what is your stream in the BE in engineering?
Yeah, in BTech, it is computer science.
Computer science. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I just want to understand, any challenges or ups and downs you faced in the coding club and the fellowship, and how did you
Hmm.
overcome that?
Yeah. If you talk about challenges in a coding club, so there were like the lots of questions and all that we needed to solve. So you really have to work harder in coding club. That's the thing of coding club. So I have given a very much of my daytime and all to coding club, so that I have got selected in that star certification, which probably then goes to this fellowship program. So yes, sometimes you get stuck, but also there are the great mentors to handle you,
Yeah.
and you can contact them anytime.
Yeah. So I was about to ask you, how the mentor support was, important in this process.
Yeah, yeah, it was a very great. There were very suitable employees like Sunil sir was there, then Prince was there, Ashish, Nikhil, and all. So they were great and also knowledgeable about the topics. Some of them, yeah.
So you mentioned also that after coding club you have done some projects. So can
Hmm.
you tell the audience what are the projects you have done, and what was your experience doing that project?
Yeah, so after coding club ended, then basically we have got into the fellowship program, and there were some guided projects like the parking lot management. Then we also implemented the snake and ladder scheme in shell script. Then tic tac toe and all, and also there were like the complex projects which implemented like the design patterns and all. So some of the examples are, there is this a parking lot project where we have implemented the observer pattern, which is a very much popular in the IT industry, and it is not actually expected from freshers to apply such a complex algorithms and all in the code. So it was helpful.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. My almost all questions are over,
Yeah. Okay.
but something which we haven't discussed. Any tip or advice would you like to give to the freshers like you who have enrolled for
Mhm.
this program, like how to improve their coding skill, what should be their path, or do's and don'ts, which you have observed or experienced?
uh, yeah. So do's and don'ts means I have faced like many times that sometimes you get stuck in some problem, and you can't find the solution. So I would suggest that give some time to the some problem, and if you don't solve it in that time, please contact you just contact your mentors. They are always helpful, and they will always be there for you. I think that will be helpful, because
Yeah.
I have done this mistake. I my mentors, and so that I was stuck in some problems. Then after that I learned to contact them and all. So
Uh,
it is one.
yeah. So that's true. I mean, you have a mentor with you. You know, anytime you are stuck, so just you can
Yeah.
pick them that you are stuck there and you can get the help. But any also I would like to know any source material or any sources which you used to refer in your time.
Yeah. So sources like I have always referred the gigs for gigs, because it is a very popular site for a program for programming and all. But always first try to solve your own doubts, and in that process always go to Stack Overflow, because Stack Overflow is website which makes you learn by solving your own doubts.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one. And also the material provided by Bridge Labs is also enough.
Yeah, that's true. I may also
Yeah,
believe that first try to do you on yourself. Trial and the
yeah,
error is the only key where you
yeah,
apply the things and learn a lot. Yeah, that's true.
yeah,
Thanks for this advice. Yeah,
yeah.
so all my questions are over. Thank you so much for
Okay.
joining us today. I hope this interaction will help the others, and
Yeah.
wish you a very happy Diwali.
Okay. Thank you. Same to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye.